On this video, we're going to design the steering knuckle of this rotor disc and caliper. So we can sketch on the assembly. We have to insert new part, and then we are going to select this space. Select the space. Alright, normal 2. And then we just sketch a circle, okay, for the mounting hole of the bolt. Mounting hole for the caliper. Alright. This one better if we are going to mirror it. Okay. Alright. So mirror.
Hey, you don't corner drawings.
And then make a circle for the outer race bearing. Alright. And then one more for the thickness of the knuckle supporting the bearing. And then one more circle for the outer shape of our steering knuckle. Okay. Alright. So we can sketch an arc on this area. Okay. Similarly on this area. So this area. And also this area. All right. So escape. So all this one you have to trim. Okay, if we want the steering knuckle to be circle like this, can. If we want it to be flat on one edge, it's also possible. So we can make a line. Okay. If we want it to be flat on one side, right? Escape. So similarly on this side, escape. All right. So we can make a smart dimension. If this is our top, so let's say we put 65. Enter on this. We put it smaller, maybe 50. All right. So escape. We can reposition this one if you want. Just drag it. Okay. So let's say for instance, I want the angle of this one to be around 30 degrees up from the vertical. So this one I can just move it to this side. We delete. Okay, so once done, what we're gonna do, we're going to extrude both features. Extrude, we can select this, this, and this, right? So done, check. We only extrude width, okay? So if you think it's too thick, okay, we can edit. Edit the extrude features. So we can put maybe 30, enter, and then check. So we are going to extrude later from this point until to this point. So in order for us to do that, we have to measure, okay, from this edge and from this edge. So the distance is this one, 63 mm. So later we can extrude even further a bit, so I can extrude by 65. So close, open part, and then we show the sketch. Alright, we can select the sketch and then features, extrude both. Okay, so now I'm going to extrude this area. Okay, this area only. Right, now I'm going to put on different direction. Okay, and then I put 65. Enter. Check. So this is now the mounting of our caliper as well as the main steering knuckle. Okay, so we now close. Yes, yes. Okay, so this is our part. As I mentioned, you can cover the bearing there. All right, so we can save this part. We can rename it. Rename part. We put it steering knuckle. Okay, and then we can save as external file. Okay, steering knuckle. Okay, okay. So it's already saved. Then we can now close. Now, in order for us to take out from the assembly, we have to delete this in place. So we delete. Yes, yes. So this is now our base for our steering knuckle. It's not yet complete, but we will complete it on our next video.